Good morning, friends. Today we are going to deal with dictionary in Python. So what is a dictionary? Dictionary is a data type in Python which belongs to the mapping type. So generally mapping is of key value pair. So far dictionary is the only type of mapping. So we dealt with sequences. Now we are going to deal with mappings. So for creating a dictionary, we have a syntax. So this D is a dictionary reference and K is key and V represents value. Key and value are separated by a colon. So rules for creating dictionary. Okay. So what is the rule for keys? Key should be immutable data type. Don't confuse that key should be immutable. You have to select key of immutable data type. That means keys should be either strings or numbers majorly, and sometimes you can use tuple as key, but it should not contain mutable objects like list. So that is the rule for keys. And next, for rule for writing values, there is no rule for writing values. You can select any data type